What we're seeing here is a radical, wacko liberalization experiment of drug legalization. I'm today calling for the Trudeau government to close its drug den.
The debate surrounding the supervised drug use site in St. Henry has been fierce, and now that debate is going national. Conservative Party leader Pierre Poilievre spoke in this park just next to Maison Benoît Labre, blasting the decision to open the site just a block away from an elementary school.
We're seeing children terrorized by drugs, by potential violence, by gross sex acts, by needles and other danger.
In the face of public outcry, politicians at the municipal and provincial levels have talked about the need for cohabitation. Here's what Poilievre had to say.
What they mean by that is that kids should have to cohabitate with people who are using crack, heroin, cocaine, and other hard drugs in their play parks like this. This is total wacko. Kids should not have to cohabitate with hard drug use and crime.
The Conservative leader is asking the Liberal government to refuse or revoke the federal exemption that allows this site to operate. In a statement to CBC News, the Office of the Minister for Mental Health and Addiction says services need to be easily accessible by those who need them, and that sites like Maison Benoît Labre save lives. Earlier, I spoke to someone who's lived in this neighborhood for 50 years and wants the site moved somewhere else.
Every morning when I wake up, I check here, you see the people, the woman that are working with the kid, they are scared. I don't know how many times I find people into the park making open sex completely over the ground, get drug. It's incredible.
In a statement to CBC News, the director of Maison Benoît Labre says she doesn't want to enter into a political debate, but she calls the center's services an essential response to the homelessness and overdose crisis.